Today's digital economy is full of opportunities, but without the right system, it's easy to feel lost. Here's how you can use it. Start by building a solid base for your business. Even if you're new, the system walks you through setting up your website, landing pages, and sales funnels with step-by-step instructions and ready-made tools. Next, let automation do the heavy lifting. Routine jobs like sending emails, delivering products, or following up with customers are handled automatically. This keeps your business running smoothly around the clock. Then you'll focus on creating passive income streams. By applying the program's proven strategies, you can set up systems that earn even while you're not working. On top of that, you get ongoing training and support so you're never confused or alone on your journey. And because it's backed by a money back guarantee, you can try it without worry. By combining automation, education, and passive income, the Millionaire Partner System empowers you to thrive in a modern digital marketplace, turning your time and ideas into lasting income. Click my link below and sign up today to start building your future.